If you have a WordPress website speed is super important. A slower website means a lower ranking in Google, less visitors and less business. If you turn it around, a fast website means higher ranking, more visitors and more business. So let me show you in this tutorial how we can make our website faster. I will use Ferdy.com in this tutorial, my own website. It loads like this and it looks like this. And if I copy this link and I go in a new tab to Google PageSpeed and I hit enter, I can go to the first link, PageSpeed Insights from Google. I enter my URL, I click on Analyze, and then I will see how fast my website is. At this moment, I don't use any speed up plugin or any caching plugin. So let's wait until that's finished and it is already there. Well, SEO great, best practices great, accessibility great, but the performance is 45. If you scroll down, the first contentful pane, so the first thing something appears on your website is just over here. So it takes some time to load the website, and then there's the cookie policy. This should be faster. This is for the mobile, but these days it's mobile first. People are more on their mobile than on a computer screen, so more visitors from your website are probably visiting through a phone. So I go to the desktop. There it is 84, but for a desktop it should be faster. So those are orange, those should be green. This is okay, this is good, this is not good. So from the second frame on, we see something over here. Well, let me show you how we can make that faster. In order to do that, we go to ferdy.com/airlift, hit enter. You can also go to the link in the description or in the first comment, and then we go to this website. I want to click on Get Started Now, and I need to sign up with Google or with my email account. I will use my email account, create a password, confirm my password, and then I click on Sign Up. It can be that you need to confirm your account with a code. Somehow I'm already accepted over here. So it says, welcome aboard, let's get your site flying. I click on Get Started. I will fill in my site URL, https ferdy.com. I click on Continue, and now I need to download this plugin. Now I go to my website, to the backend, to plugins. Where are the plugins? Over here, add a new plugin. I click on Upload Plugin, and then I drag it over here. The plugin I just downloaded, and I click on Install Now. I activate the plugin, and now automatically I go back to Airlift, and we need to configure and manage our website. So what do I want to optimize? Well, the preload LCP, image resizing, WebP conversation compression. So every image that is a PNG or a JPEG will turn into a WebP version, which is better. Image lazy loading. That means if you go to your website, now only this will be loaded. And if you scroll down, now this image will be loaded. So the image will not be loaded at once because that can slow down the whole process. So that's what happens over here. Then I click on Next. Font optimization, I will turn on everything. So it's optimizing PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And I click on Optimize Now. So in the background, our website will be optimized. So keep this in mind right now. This is our speed, 45. For a desktop, it's 84. Let's see what happens after we have configured Airlift. I don't need this anymore. So I can tell a bit about myself if I want to. I am an agency. I manage my site by myself. What are my top priorities? I want to have faster migrations. I don't know. You're all set. Go to the optimization screen. So it can take a few minutes. Oh, my website is already fully optimized. It can take a few minutes, but in this case, it was less than a minute. So the optimization results. It says it's now 100. The file size is 5.6 megabytes. There's a performance boost of 37%. Okay, there was the original one. According to the statistics, how they measure things here at Airlift. It looks almost exactly the same. even though our website is a lot faster now. So a lot of check marks of things that are done. What I want to do now, I want to go to the same tool I used in the beginning. So keep in mind, 45 and 6.8 and 12.8. For the desktop, it was faster, but let's take a look at the mobile. If I analyze it again, what will happen? Now, look at this. It is 100. Whoa, super cool. Over here, everything is there at once from frame 1. Let's take a look at the desktop. 100. This is crazy. This is, oh, look at this. Wow. Wow. I never had 100. I had 99, 97. This is super cool. Accessibility oftentimes has to do with animations. So I like to use animations and that can slow this process down. I'm super happy with this. So again, mobile. Wow. Okay, so we're still using the free version. Of course, always take a look at your website, like go to ferdy.com. Is it loading at once? That looks good. And on a phone, okay, that loads very fast. But I still want to take a look at the upgrade. So maybe you're like, how can there be an upgrade? My website is already super fast. I hope that's the case. Please let me know, by the way, what's your score, if it's fast or not if it's working. So let's go to airlift.net. Go to pricing. So what you see in the free version, you get all those things, page caching, dynamic use, CSS, all those things, those steps we went through. What it does not include is dynamic image resizing. That makes the image even smaller. Font subsetting, lazy loading of style sheet images, and auto purge cache on post update. So when you place something new or you adjust something, then automatically the cache will be purged. If you want that, then you can go for the pro version. Then your website will be even faster. Let me show you how that looks. Normally $20 per month. This time it's $10 per month. If you go for a year, then you pay $99.50. So you get even more discount. And that discount is only for the first year. So I can click over here, or over here I go to upgrade now, yearly. I click on buy now. I'll fill in my details over here. Then I click on pay securely. Okay, now I go to the dashboard. I click over here. I can add multiple websites if I want to. And as soon as you get the pro version, your website will be optimized even more. So for instance, to show you, if I go for optimization and I'm like, hey, let's re-optimize it because I just upgraded, it will say a sync is already in progress. So please wait for it to complete. So as soon as you pay, a even faster version will be created. And I have to say, I tried a few speeding up tools. This one is the fastest. This is crazy. The people that made this they are good in backing up websites, making websites secure, keeping websites fast. So they know what they're doing. That's probably why you see that the website is so fast. So here I have to wait until I see that the new sync is already successfully completed. It says over here, my email is not yet verified. So I will go to my email account and I will verify my email. Verify email address. There you go. So now if I refresh this one is gone. Great. So now I have to wait until the optimization is finished. And then I will do another PageSpeed Insight refresh analyzation. Cool sentence. And then I will show you the results. So let's check our website again with the premium plugin. It was already 100 with these settings. So what I will do, I'll copy this, paste over here, and then again, https ferdy.com. I click on analyze. And what I see now, this is the same, but look at this. Let's see if I can get them at the same height. Okay, let's see. 1.3 versus 0.9. 1.3 versus 0 or 1.1. Total blocking time 0 milliseconds. This is the same. And site speed index also a bit faster. So the website is even faster. So whether you use the free version or the pro version, it will make your website so much faster. I tested multiple speed up plugins, and this is by far the fastest I've used. And what I also like about this one is when you use the free version, there's nothing in the website that says this website is optimized with the free version by Airlift. It's not there. So I am really happy with the results. I hope you are too. Again, let me know in the comments if your website is faster or not. I want this to be honest place. So if your website is slower, also let me know in the comments. So people that see the video, if their website is slower, they can also see, okay, I'm not the only one. But if they see that a lot of websites are faster, I don't know, maybe that can help other people to see what some real results are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Ferdy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.